All right, we're gonna check the unit weight of the mix design. So he dampened his bowl. He's gonna fill up the first layer with grout. So we're gonna do this in 3 equal parts. 1, 2, and 3. There's the first layer. He's gonna rot it 25 times. All right, layer 2. Another 25 rods, and then he's using the mallet to consolidate it by tapping the outside of the measure 10 to 15 times. That's going to close up all these little holes you see he just made. Final layer should be above the rim by about 1/8 of an inch, so very close to the rim. That looks pretty heavy. It's okay. Now he's going to use the strike-off plate to flatten the top so it's level with the rim, the top rim. Now he's got to clean out all around the outside of the measure, because all we want to do is get a weight of the concrete inside the bowl. So it's got to be super clean. Now we're going to weigh it. $36.94. This is 1/4 of a cubic foot. So what I'm going to do is just multiply that by 4 for a full cubic foot. Unit weight of 147.8. The design I want to say is 149, but I'll double check. Either way, we're very close. So 147.8. Now we're going to check how much entrapped air is in it. He attached the top of his air pressure meter. He clamped the sides, secured, making sure all the valves are closed. He's got both petcocks open. He's going to inject water from one side until it comes out through the other petcock, and that's just going to ensure there's no air voids between the concrete and the lid. I don't expect this to have any air. We didn't entrain air. This is just naturally entrapped air, which we normally come in at 2%. But since we're here, we're going to check it. He's going to pressurize the gauge to the initial pressure line of 3. There's the initial pressure line of 3%. And if you went a little bit over, let's assume you went over, what would you do? You're going to bleed off some
bleed
pressure.
off a little bit.
Okay. Looks good.
Yeah.
Okay, he's going to close his petcocks and he's going to release all that pressurized air in this chamber down through the grout. A little higher than normal. We're expecting 2% entrapped. Looks like we're at 2.7.